Greetings, fellow warriors. Sam here. In one of my streams, I opened some epic music and then I got into some roleplay. I thought this would be a cool highlight video. The full fight is in the description, and yeah, enjoy the video. You and me, Rex. We don't need anyone else. Oh, this is lovely. Rex, please help. I am dying. Ah! Help! No! No! Aha, you fools! You think you can silence me? You absolute clowns! You have no power over me. You have no power at all with my companions in sight. I am to be relied on. Help! 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 I suddenly need help again. Help! Help! Not even close. You fools thought you had the upper hand. Oh my god, these guys! They don't know any other gameplay. I'm gonna mess up. This is a problem. I'm gonna mess up at some point. Come back! Okay, you know what? You're not getting kills. Oh, you fools. You think you can cap this without my attention? My attention. I see now. It all comes down to me. It all comes down to the world I see. Everything that needs to happen happens for a reason. I'm spouting even more nonsense. I have the power to do so. Help! Help! Their thing is like completely textbook. I have never seen anything like this, and we still lost a fight. How does that even happen? Come on. Let's go, gang. Round 2. They stood no chance before, they'll stand no chance now. I am not using E for anybody else. No, not E. I'm not using pawn on anybody else. It's only for me. The one time I died is because of I used my pawn on someone else. Oh, you fools! You thought you could stop me. You thought you had the chance. Oh, okay. I overstacked them. Never mind. I am not accepting losing this after all that things I pulled through. After all the things we managed to do, I will not accept defeat. No way. That was a not yet. It's not a was yet. It will be soon. But until our victory is guaranteed, until our names are put on a screen of victory, I shall not rest. I'm still using pawn on myself. I don't care. Here, you can take my helmet. I can. Woo! And that's that. How much damage did I take out of everyone? 39k. How did people still manage to die? I don't know. Not my problem. I like that fight.